Today we are making a low-carb, keto-friendly, brown sugar shaken espresso from Starbucks. Honestly, my favorite drink in the entire world. Let's go ahead and make it. We are going to grab our hot espresso. I'm using 2 shots here, but you can use up to 4 if you'd like. Here's a pro tip for you though. Use blonde roast if you possibly can. It does change the flavor, just trust me on that one. All right, now we're going to grab our brown sugar sweetener, but it's not brown sugar. No, 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 not in this recipe because this is keto friendly / low carb. This is the Kanto's brown sugar substitute. It tastes so good. Like honestly, in this recipe, it really does taste like brown sugar. It is delicious. You need it. Buy it, it's in the description below. Go get yourself some. Now, if you don't wanna get Kanto, that's totally fine. There are other brands out there that have this. All right, let's go ahead and pour that into our espresso. All right, now I'm just gonna mix it all up so it completely melts. That's why we need the hot espresso. All right, that will do it. Now this part is really important. Let it cool down, because if you take the hot espresso and put it straight into the jar of ice, that is going to make the ice melt, and then you'll end up with kind of a watery brown sugar shaken espresso, which would not be as good compared to a creamy brown sugar shaken espresso. So let it cool. Very important. Okay, our espresso has cooled down completely. Now what we're gonna do is grab a jar of ice. I'm using a mason jar. You can use whatever jar you like as long as it closes nicely. You can also use a cocktail shaker. Anything that has a lid that is going to close, because you do not wanna shake this and just have coffee flying everywhere. That would probably make a really big mess. So let's go ahead and pour our espresso straight into this jar of ice. Now you're gonna screw that lid on nice and tight. We do not want coffee to be flying here. That is not the goal. Now that it's on, we're going to shake it all up. Go ahead and add in the cinnamon. Screw the lid back on, and let's shake her up again. All right. Ooh. So frothy. All right, now what we're gonna do is grab your container of choice. I'm using my Starbucks cup because, you know, I'm a little extra. So let's go ahead and pour that in. And we're just gonna let that settle for a little bit so then we can pour our milk in. Now it's time to add our milk. So today I'm using almond milk. I've made it on this channel before. I'll link it down in the description for you, and I'll put it around here somewhere so you can go ahead and check that out. It is so creamy and delicious. I love it. I love seeing it kind of fall into the drink like that. When the milk mixes with the coffee, it's so beautiful and honestly mouth-watering. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.